So what's good YouTube man, it's your boy BioFX here and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video I would be more than happy to teach anyone. If you click on this video, this is literally a video where I'm going to teach you how, I'm going to show you how I made money today. I made the money that I made Tuesday. I made over $5,000. I took two trades Tuesday and fortunately for me, both those trades actually came true and win. I was on a losing streak. I lost a trade last week Friday. I lost a trade Monday and Tuesday. USD JPY came through for me and USD CAD came through for me. Um Took two trades, one on USD JPY, one on USD CAD, and I was in taking those two trades, I bag out on over $5,000. That is literally amazing. And I don't want you guys to be sleeping on this video, bro. Like, day trading is literally one of the most powerful ways to make money in today's industry, bro. Like, and I tell people this all the time. Just be consistent, bro. Once you have a proven strategy that works, all you need to do is just trust in your system. And that's literally what I'm doing. I know a lot of persons may see that I lost like two trades and they may be like, whoa, like bro, why are you losing trades? But I tell people this all the time. Losing trades is a part of day trading. Like, you can't expect to come to the market and win every single trade. No profitable trader have a system that wins every single time. Right? So no trader is gonna literally win every single time. That's just how the game goes, bro. Alright, so yeah, in this trade I literally alright, so basically, I mean, as you guys know, so as I said, I took two trade today. So this is a demand. So this is pretty much a demand setup here. Um, if you guys know my strategy works, my demand has to have a gap. So demand had a gap, price aggressively shot out of our demand zone, break structure, and all I really pretty much did is wait for price to come back to my demand zone and pretty much enter. So how I enter this trade is entered on a breaker candle entry here. And really and truly, I did want it to, be a little bit more careful in regards to how I actually enter this trade here because been on a losing streak, so I was just a little bit more careful because I definitely wanted a win. And sometimes I enter my trade aggressively, sometimes I enter by the breaker candle. Breaker candle entries are definitely more safe, right? And it will definitely give you a better a better win rate, right? You'll realize that if you enter your trades via breaker candle, you'll win more of your trades pretty much. But most times, if you want like a good risk to reward ratio, aggressive entries will definitely give you that. But sometimes breaker candle entries, sometimes the candlestick that you're waiting for price to break may be a little bit too long or too big, which will allow you to possibly have a big stop loss, which sometimes you don't really want, right? But yeah, pretty much. And I mean, if you look over here, there's definitely was some gaps in the market, so that was another reason as to why I took this buy here, because my idea was that if price could come back to my zone, give me the opportunity to enter the trade, I could definitely aim for some of these gaps over on this side here, and that's exactly what happened. I mean, if you see, literally no drawdown. The moment price break this structure here or break this candlestick here, that's when I got in. Stop loss below the zone. Aimed for gaps over on this side and price literally filling those gaps there. Alright, so that was that setup. Alright, no, that was one of the trades that I took, and I got a basically over 1 to 2, almost a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And in the next setup here on, let me just bring forward a little bit. Alright. Alright, so this was pretty much it. right there. All right. So supply here, right? As you can see, supply zone marked up there. We had aggressive selling, break structure right here. We had a gap, waited for price to come back to my zone, fill in the gap. Took another breaker candle entry because, as I said, I'm trying to be careful, bro. And as a matter of fact, the trades that I actually lost, I did enter those trade aggressively, right? And what I want you guys to learn from this is that breaker candle entries are always going to be better. Don't always try to enter a trade aggressively. Breaker candle entries are definitely going to give you a better win rate. Right, look at how I literally the two trades I took today. I was patient, I waited for the breaker candle entry, and I won on both these trades here. So this is literally it. Aim for this liquidity right here. TP got smack. Beautiful trade, guys. Right. Why I took this sell here? I mean, obviously the USD CAD was on a downtrend, even on a daily time frame, but also on a 5 minutes time frame. It was on a downtrend at the time when I was taking this trade here. All right. Yeah. So got a win on USD JPY as I mentioned right there. And look at this trade, bro. Look at the risk to reward ratio, bro. I tell people this all the time, man. Like, supply and demand is literally the best strategy. Like, guys, if you want to make a bag, bro, if you really want to take your trading journey to the next level, start practicing supply and demand. Bro, look at this risk to reward ratio. The only, bro, I should have literally left a runner, but I told myself I didn't want to be greedy. I'm just going to take my profits and call it a day. Right? But listen, guys, start practicing supply and demand. I've made countless videos going over my strategy. So if you want to learn the strategy, watch all my videos, go on TradingView, backtest for yourself, and you will literally see that this strategy is literally one of the coolest scalping strategy on the market right now. Right? I think that's pretty much really it for the video, guys. Uh, so this was Tuesday, pretty much. Not trading Wednesday. Um, Trading Thursday and Friday. All right. So let's see how the rest of the week goes. Definitely trying to close out the week strong. I'm very happy about the fact that we won two trades today and made a whole lot of money. But guys, that's it for the video. Peace and love. I'm out.